Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the market.
What did you eat for dinner?
I ate rice and curry.
Did you watch the movie last night?
Yes, I watched the movie.
Who called you in the morning?
My friend called me.
When did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Did you study last night?
Yes, I studied for 2 hours.
What did she say to you?
She said hello.
Where did he travel last month?
He traveled to Delhi.
Did it rain yesterday?
Yes, it rained heavily.
Why did you cry?
I cried because I was sad.
Who helped you with homework?
My sister helped me.
Did they play cricket?
Yes, they played cricket.
What did you buy?
I bought a new phone.
Where did you find your keys?
I found them under the table.
Did you go to school?
Yes, I went to school.
Who taught you math?
My teacher taught me.
When did he leave the office?
He left at 5 p.m.
Did you call your mother?
Yes, I called her.
What did she wear?
She wore a red dress.
How did you feel?
I felt happy.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Where did you keep the book?
I kept it on the shelf.
Who broke the glass?
John broke the glass.
Did he drive the car?
Yes, he drove the car.
What did you cook today?
I cooked pasta.
Did you dance at the party?
Yes, I danced a lot.
Who came to your house?
My uncle came.
Did she sing a song?
Yes, she sang beautifully.
What did he draw?
He drew a tree.
Did they win the match?
Yes, they won.
Where did she sit?
She sat on the sofa.
When did it start?
It started at 9 a.m.
Did he read the book?
Yes, he read it.
Who lost the game?
We lost the game.
What did you hear?
I heard a loud noise.
Did you open the door?
Yes, I opened it.
Where did you eat lunch?
I ate lunch at home.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
What did you write?
I wrote a letter.
Who made this cake?
My mom made it.
Did they come late?
Yes, they came late.
What did you drink?
I drank juice.
When did he arrive?
He arrived in the evening.
Did she laugh?
Yes, she laughed.
Where did you go for vacation?
I went to Manali.
What did you see there?
I saw mountains.
Who closed the window?
I closed it.
Did he paint the wall?
Yes, he painted it.
What did you tell her?
I told her the truth.
Did you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visited them.
What did he bring?
He brought gifts.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned it.
Who shouted?
Tom shouted.
Where did you run?
I ran to the park.
What did they do yesterday?
They played football.
Did you break the cup?
Yes, I broke it.
When did they return?
They returned at night.
Who sang that song?
Ravi sang it.
What did you forget?
I forgot my wallet.
Did she come with you?
Yes, she came with me.
Where did he hide it?
He hid it in the drawer.
Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
What did the teacher say?
She said to study.
Who cooked the dinner?
Dad cooked it.
Did you miss the bus?
Yes, I missed it.
What did you fix?
I fixed the fan.
Where did you dance?
I danced at the party.
Did she complete the task?
Yes, she completed it.
What did he forget?
He forgot his keys.
Who invited you?
Sam invited me.
Did they answer the question?
Yes, they answered it.
Where did you stay?
I stayed in a hotel.
What did you draw?
I drew a flower.
Did you see the sunrise?
Yes, I saw it.
Who opened the gate?
He opened it.
What did she teach you?
She taught me English.
Did you visit the zoo?
Yes, I visited it.
Where did they sit?
They sat near the window.
Did he wash the car?
Yes, he washed it.
What did you hear on the news?
I heard about the storm.
Did you check the email?
Yes, I checked it.
Where did you go shopping?
I went to the mall.
What did she do at the party?
She danced and sang.
Did you bring your book?
Yes, I brought it.
Who sent the message?
Rita sent it.
What did you repair?
I repaired my laptop.
Did you lose your phone?
Yes, I lost it.
Where did you meet him?
I met him at the cafe.
Did he give you money?
Yes, he gave me some.
What did you do yesterday?
I studied and relaxed.
Did you repair the bike?
Yes, I repaired it.
Where did she keep the keys?
She kept them on the table.
Who knocked at the door?
A delivery boy knocked.
Did they celebrate your birthday?
Yes, they celebrated it.
What did you read yesterday?
I read a novel.
Did you hear the sound?
Yes, I heard it.
Where did he go in the evening?
He went to the gym.
Did she bake a cake?
Yes, she baked a cake.
Who helped the old man?
I helped him.
Did you attend the meeting?
Yes, I attended it.
What did he find?
He found a coin.
Did they enjoy the picnic?
Yes, they enjoyed it.
Where did she get the dress?
She got it from the market.
Did you switch off the light?
Yes, I switched it off.
Who cleaned the table?
My brother cleaned it.
What did you see on TV?
I saw a cartoon show.
Did you win the prize?
Yes, I won it.
Where did he lose his bag?
He lost it on the bus.
Did she water the plants?
Yes, she watered them.
What did they make in class?
They made paper boats.
Did you go to the library?
Yes, I went there.
Who brought snacks?
My friend brought them.
What did you pack in your bag?
I packed books and lunch.
Did he complete the homework?
Yes, he completed it.
Where did you park the car?
I parked it near the gate.
Did she wear her new dress?
Yes, she wore it.
Who visited you yesterday?
My cousins visited me.
What did you do at the beach?
I played and swam.
Did they enjoy the food?
Yes, they enjoyed it a lot.
Where did you take the photo?
I took it at the park.
Did he fix the chair?
Yes, he fixed it.
What did you bring for lunch?
I brought sandwiches.
Did she go to the concert?
Yes, she went there.
Who dropped the glass?
The cat dropped it.
What did you clean today?
I cleaned my cupboard.
Did you enjoy the holiday?
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
Where did they play yesterday?
They played in the garden.
Did you find your notebook?
Yes, I found it.
What did he show you?
He showed me his new phone.